I'm so happy to meet some of my students, brother. When we sit down and do analysis of the Quran, we pick up a sentence in the Quran and we try to analyze it and understand how the sentence was constructed. And you come across verb, and these students are able to trace it back to the root. It's so beautiful, brother. Inshallah, you will do it. You will all become expert. You and I, we may not speak Arabic fluently, but we will become master of Arabic verbs. Inshallah. We will know Arabic verbs left and right. And brother, people run away from Arabic verbs. Huh? They say, Arabic verbs? Oh, it's difficult. No, brothers and sisters, Arabic words are beautiful. They are fascinating. They are enjoyable. So brother, kharaja. What is kha? Fa kalima. First radical. What is ra? Ain kalima. Second radical. What is jim? Lam kalima. Third radical. Huh? Okay. And if I tell you any other word, you will also do the same way. Now I want you to look at the difference. Huh, brother? Kharaja. Now I am writing zahaba. Then I am writing jalasa. And then I am writing raja'a. Do you see here, brother? What do you see? Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Now I write down something else. I write down here two very popular verbs. Samiya, and then I'm writing shariba. Okay, brothers and sisters? Samiya. What is the meaning of Samiya? He heard. Huh? Or he listened. Shariba. He drank. Okay? Fine. What do you see here? Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. First radical, second radical, third radical. Okay? Are you with me? Now I write down two more verbs, brother. Karuma. And I'm writing another word here. Ba'uda. Okay? Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. First radical, second radical, third radical. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, if you were to observe this, you will find something. And I told you last time, that fa kalima in all of them has a fatah. And the lam kalima, all of them has a fatah. So that is the rule. All the verbs, the root, in the root form, fa kalima will always have a fatah. And lam kalima will always have a fatah. And what about ain kalima? Ain kalima can have these three vowel signs. It can have a fatah, it can have a kasra, and it can have a dhamma. Huh? So this we have to be very observant, you know. For example, samiya. See, the ain kalima has a kasra. Shariba, ain kalima has a kasra. Karuma, ain kalima has a dhamma. Huh? Ba'uda, ain kalima has a dhamma. So watch for it, okay. Now, these verbs are called healthy verbs. What are they called? Healthy verbs. Huh? Al-fi'lu sahih. Healthy verbs. But if something is healthy, then it has to be somebody who is very weak or sick. Huh? Because for a healthy person, there is also someone who is not healthy, which means he is sick. So there are some verbs which are called weak verbs. I won't call them sick verbs. They are all weak verbs. Now this is just a general information. Any verb, brother and sister, whether it has fa kalima or ain kalima or lam kalima, if it has waw and ya, are you with me? If it has waw and ya, then it is a weak verb. What is it? It's called weak verb. In the meantime, we'll become stronger in our Sahih verbs, in which verb there will be no waw, there will be no ya. There will be no waw. As you can see, I didn't put any with waw and ya. Okay? So keep that in mind.